Welcome! If you're looking to take control over who can share your mentioned stories on Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to prevent others from sharing your mentioned stories directly from your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC. With the newest update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to customize your story privacy settings, so let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your personal settings. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile photo to open a menu with several options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it and then select Settings from the drop-down list. This will bring you to the main settings page where you can control everything about your Facebook experience. On the left side of the settings page, you'll find a list of categories. Scroll down and click on Stories. This section is dedicated to all your story-related preferences and privacy controls. Inside the Stories settings, look for the option that says Allow people to share your stories if you mention them. By default, this setting might be enabled, allowing anyone you mention in your stories to share them further. To prevent this, simply toggle the switch off. Once disabled, people you mention in your stories won't be able to share them on their own timelines or with others. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken charge of your story sharing settings and enhanced your privacy on Facebook. Remember, keeping your stories private is a great way to control your online presence and decide exactly who gets to see and share your content. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. See you in the next video.